It is Christmas Eve. The air is cold in New York City. The city is full of bright lights and happy sounds. In a tall brown building, there is a small family. Mark and Sarah are the parents. They are a handsome man and a beautiful woman. They have 3 children, Leo, Max, and Lily. Leo and Max are 2 handsome boys. Lily is a beautiful girl. They are all 10 years old. Today is December 24th. The children are very excited. They cannot wait for tomorrow. Why? Because Santa Claus is coming tonight. They hope Santa will bring them many nice gifts. They love Christmas very much.
The sun is not up yet, but Leo is awake. He wakes up Max. "Max, Max, wake up!" Leo whispers loudly. Max opens his eyes. He is sleepy, but he is also excited. They run to the big window. "Look, Leo, snow!" Max says. Outside, the city is white. Big, soft snow is falling slowly. The tall buildings of New York look like they are covered in sugar. Lily is now awake too. She runs to the window with the boys. "It is a perfect Christmas morning," Lily says. The snow makes the city very quiet.
Now it is time for breakfast. Sarah, the beautiful woman, is in the kitchen. She is making hot chocolate. Mark, the handsome man, is making pancakes. The kitchen smells wonderful. It smells like sweet pancakes and spicy cocoa. The children sit at the kitchen table. They drink the warm cocoa slowly. The parents smile at the children. "Eat fast, kids," Mark says. "We have a big day. We need energy to prepare for Santa." Leo, Max, and Lily eat quickly. They want to start the holiday activities.
The living room is the best room today. It has a very tall Christmas tree. The tree is full of lights. The lights are red, green, blue, and yellow. They blink slowly. There are many shiny glass balls on the tree. They are gold and silver. Under the tree, there is a large pile of presents. The presents are wrapped in colorful paper. The children look at the presents. They try to guess what is inside the boxes. "I hope this big one is for me," Max thinks. "No, I hope it is for me," Leo thinks. Leo and Max have a secret plan. They want to touch the presents. They wait until Mark and Sarah are not looking. "Ready, Max?" Leo whispers. Max nods slowly. Leo crawls silently on the floor. Max follows him. They reach the presents. Leo slowly shakes a small box. Shh! It makes a soft sound. Max laughs quietly. Suddenly, Sarah says, "What are you 2 doing there?" Leo and Max jump up quickly. They look innocent. Sarah smiles. "No peeking, boys. Santa sees everything." Lily is not interested in shaking presents. She is sitting at a small desk. She has a piece of red paper and a gold pen. She is writing one last letter to Santa. Dear Santa, the letter begins, I know it is late, but I have one more wish. I want a new dollhouse for my small dolls. She draws a perfect little dollhouse on the paper. She folds the letter carefully. Then she walks to the fireplace. She puts the letter inside a red envelope. I hope it is not too late for my letter to fly to the North Pole, she thinks happily. Kids, time to help, Mark calls. The handsome man is preparing the big Christmas dinner. They are making a big turkey and many vegetables. The children run to the kitchen. I want to mash the potatoes, shouts Leo. I want to mix the salad, says Max. I want to set the table, Lily says politely. They all put on small aprons. They look like little chefs. Mark shows Max how to cut the bread safely. Sarah shows Leo how to set the timer for the oven. It is noisy and messy, but the family is happy together.
The best part is making Christmas cookies. Sarah gives the children the warm dough. They use cookie cutters in many shapes: stars, trees, and small snowmen. Leo makes a very big star. Max makes a strange-looking snowman. Lily makes a perfect tree. After they bake them, they decorate the cookies. They use colorful frosting: blue, pink, and purple. They put too many sprinkles on the cookies. Some cookies look very messy. These cookies look funny, Max giggles. But they will be delicious, Sarah says, laughing. After dinner, the family sits by the fireplace. The fire is warm. Sarah, the beautiful woman, starts to tell a story. Many years ago, she begins, Santa Claus lived in a cold place. He loved children very much. He wanted to make them happy. So he started making toys. He built a big workshop with his small elf friends. Lily sits close to her mother. Leo and Max listen carefully. They imagine Santa's flying sleigh and the fast reindeer. The story makes the children feel sleepy, but they don't want the story to end. Mark says, "Let's go for a walk." They put on their warm hats and gloves. They step outside into the snowy New York night. The snow has stopped, but the streets are wet and shiny. Every street lamp is bright. The trees in the small park are wrapped in thousands of tiny, sparkling lights. The air smells fresh and cold. The children look up at the big Christmas decorations on the buildings. New York City is full of Christmas magic tonight. They hold their parents' hands tightly. This walk is a tradition they love. They come back inside. It is late now. Time to prepare the treats. Max quickly finds a large glass of milk. He puts it next to the fireplace. Santa will be thirsty, he says. Lily puts 3 of the messy cookies they made earlier on a small plate. These are the best ones for him, she says. Leo runs to the kitchen and gets a few carrots. These are for the tired reindeer, he explains. They arrange the milk, cookies, and carrots carefully on the hearth. They hope Santa likes their treats. Mark and Sarah say, "Time for bed, children." The children put on their warm pajamas. They hug their parents very tightly. "Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad," they whisper. They climb into their beds. The room is dark, but the lights from the Christmas tree shine softly on the walls. Leo and Max share a room. Lily has her own. They try to close their eyes, but the excitement is too big. They cannot sleep. They hear the quiet sounds of their parents downstairs. They wait, wait, wait. The time is 1 a.m. Everything is very quiet in the apartment. Mark and Sarah are also sleeping now. Only the blinking lights of the Christmas tree are awake. The city outside is silent. No cars, no noisy people, only the snow falling softly again. The milk and cookies wait patiently by the fireplace. The room looks magical in the soft, glowing light. Suddenly, a soft sound comes from the chimney. Clunk. Maybe it is just the wind, but Leo, the handsome boy, opens one eye slowly. He listens very carefully. Leo hears the sound again. Tap, tap. He leaves his warm bed quietly. He walks slowly to the living room door. He opens it just a tiny bit. He sees a big red shadow moving fast by the Christmas tree. The shadow is very round. He hears a soft ho-ho-ho sound very far away. He sees a pair of big black boots. The boots are moving very quickly. Leo closes the door fast and runs back to his bed. He hides under the blanket. He is here. He is really here, Leo thinks. He is so happy. Beep, beep, beep. The alarm clock rings. It is Christmas morning. Leo, Max, and Lily jump out of their beds instantly. They run fast to the living room. "Merry Christmas!" Mark and Sarah shout. The children stop. They look at the fireplace. The milk is gone. The cookies are gone. Only the carrots are left. Now they look at the tree. The pile of presents is much bigger. There are new boxes everywhere. They see the dollhouse Lily wished for. They run to the presents and begin to open them. The air is full of happy shouts and Christmas joy. It is the best Christmas ever!